What's up, Casey Currie, and we are here on the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. Right now, we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and to start this adventure, we actually flew into Nashville for the CMA Fest, hung out with all of the guys and gals from Nitto Tires, went to a country concert last night, had an absolute blast, drove up 2 hours, now 5 days of pure muscle car and hot rod. So excited, ready to drive my Camaro. All right, day 2 of the Power Tour, Bowling Green, Kentucky to Nashville, Tennessee. It's not that far of a drive. It's only like 2.5 to 3 hours. Well, if there's no traffic, 2.5 to 3 hours. Right now, it's probably 9 hours, but as long as I'm driving, I'm good. So Camaro is happy. All the changes we made on our short drive yesterday were really good. So yeah, my dad's in his Jeep and he's got a big V8 as well. Makes people happy and us happy because power is key. So let's have some fun. All right, Nashville, Tennessee has been amazing. Tremendous amount of people. The weather is like unreal. It has just been great weather. The sun's hot, but the air is cool and not a lot of humidity. But yeah, it's just been good. Today's drive was only like 80 miles and just good. The Camaro is running real good. So is my dad's Jeep. So tomorrow's a long one. I think it's 250 miles. So we're up to Louisville, Kentucky. And yeah, the roads have been good. So ready for another long day. All right, day 4, it is Louisville, Kentucky, up to Columbus, Ohio. It's gonna be a longer day, 240 miles, but excited to be back in the Camaro. We had a great time in Louisville. My aunt actually lives south and she came up. We went to dinner last night. Louisville is a great town. Haven't been here in many, many years and it's actually really fun. So we had a great time last night and the show was unbelievable. A lot of people from the community. We got a lot of muscle car people and hot rod people, so it was good to hang out with everyone. And yeah, let's get the show on the road, get up to Columbus, and see who we can meet today, and see what we can find along the way. Columbus, Ohio at the National Trail Raceway. They had drag strip going all day and the Camaro ran great. That's all that matters for me. It's super hot. Well, it's not super hot. It's probably in the 90s, but air conditioner's blowing ice cold. Got no overheating problem, and yeah, the day's done. So now to the hotel, find some food, and then on to Indianapolis tomorrow. So another actual long day for the car. So it makes me excited that I get to drive more. So I just like driving. All I do is drive all day, every day. So it's like the car. Just puts miles in. So yeah, it's been great. The trails, the route has been fantastic. A lot of like tight technical roads today. It was super fun. So yeah, it's been all in all a great time on the power tour. Last day in Indianapolis, and the power tour is coming to an end. Has been unreal. We had a great time driving the car every single day. The weather's been great. A little warm today, but we'll take it. So yeah, the Camaro was a happy camper and just blessed to be here and drive that car without having a single issue. So stoked on that. But yeah, it's been great. We've had a blast. So the guys had fun. We had a amazing time and ready to come back and do it again next year. So make sure you come check us out and look into the power tour 2025.